two measures that we are looking at and or that we have in place is to, in particular, encourage, we have the price comparison. So the department goes out and have a certain amount of items that we look at and compare the prices of the different supermarkets, and then we publish that. So it's on our site so that people can know where persons, which supermarkets can get which items cheapest, and even if you add up the whole total bill, you can see which one comes out to be the cheapest and stuff like that. So these are some of the things we're doing. We're also doing a price study to know, what will be the impact of having maximum prices introduced, but in anticipation of that, because one of the things we know already that the outcome or some of the recommendations coming out of that study is that, these measures can be done in a very acute situation. And obviously this international development is certainly one of those things where it is necessary and warranted. So we are going ahead and going in to introduce the maximum price items. We used to have it for 12 items. Now we're going to do it for 72 items so that persons can have a much broader set of items that they can purchase and be able to have an affordable basket of items that when they go shopping, that they can then it can be a little bit more affordable. So that's these are some of the measures that we're doing. And we will also be monitoring the prices that are not part of the 72 items, because those items we need to know if we have a maximum prices, are the stores then disproportionately or increasing their prices more higher on the other items that are not on the list. So those are the things that we are doing to make sure that prices are being reasonable. We are also enforcing that the wholesalers, the importers, submit their invoices so that we can know that the prices that they're being charged are based on invoice prices. So we're going to basically leverage ourselves as a government to make sure that the consumer gets the best price and for a period of time, so that to make sure that they're not taken advantage of.